Healifeco Ionic Foot SPA is marketed as a detox device that claims to remove toxins from your body, improve circulation, boost energy, and promote overall wellness by soaking your feet in ionized water. The demonstrations can look convincing, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, soaking your feet in warm water can be relaxing and may temporarily soothe tired feet. However, that's very different from proving the device detoxifies your body. What it does well: relaxing foot soak. Warm water can help you unwind and temporarily relieve tired or sore feet. Easy to use. The device is simple to set up and can be used at home. Where the hype falls apart: there's no strong evidence it detoxifies your body. Scientific research does not support claims that Ionic Foot SPAs remove toxins through your feet. The water changing color isn't proof of detoxification. The discoloration often comes from the electrodes reacting with minerals and salts in the water, not toxins leaving your body. It's not a medical treatment. An Ionic Foot SPA should not be used as a substitute for evidence-based medical care. So, should you buy the Healifeco Ionic Foot SPA? Short answer: maybe if you want a relaxing foot soak. If you're buying for comfort and relaxation, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting it to detox your body or treat health conditions, you're likely to be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.